Welcome to a new video with Mr. Math. Today's topic is composition of functions. Let's take a look at the problem that we have today. We have a function g of a equals 2a minus 1. We have a function f of a, which is equal to negative a minus 4. And we want to find the composition of g minus f of the value negative 1. So we'll begin by finding this, g minus f. 2a minus 1 represents the function g of a. We're going to subtract f, which is negative a minus 4. So we're basically taking this one and minusing that one. That gives us 2a minus 1. And then we're going to basically take the opposite of each one in the parenthesis here. The opposite of negative a is positive a. The opposite of negative 4 by distribution is positive 4. Combining like terms, we get 3a. Combining like terms, we get positive 3. So we have 3a plus 3. Now we want to we actually want to calculate or evaluate this expression using the value negative 1. Okay, so we'll do that now. So we'll take g minus f of negative 1. And we've already found g minus f as 3a plus 3. So now we simply want to substitute in the value negative 1 for a. 3 times negative 1 gives us negative 3, plus 3 gives us the value of 0. Well, thanks for watching today. I hope the video was helpful for you. And as always, we will see you next time.